morning, traders. In this video, I would like to dive deep how intelligent trader trades Alpha Fibonacci system. Intelligent trader starts each and every day with clear understanding what institutions do. This is institutional chart that reflects trillions of dollars in US market. So if you understand the power of this, since October of 2023, you've been buying, not selling the market despite catastrophic global events. Since the start of catastrophic global events, institutional rally 2000 points plus is higher. This is a problem for intelligent retail trader, historical high. Market keeps flying. With a single glimpse, intelligent trader understands this is lifeline for US market, 5200 level. And again, if I bring to your attention the power of the Alpha Fibonacci system, where with your brilliant effort you insert proprietary levels and apply proprietary strategies on all instruments, all time frames, all platforms, system identified institutional buy points well before market skyrocketed. Also, if day trading is not for you, this is a chart you use for your long-term positions as investor, as an options trader. So when I zoom in on retail chart this morning, this is the chart present in front of you for days. This is a level historical high right now. No one should be surprised what playing out, correct? Pure and simple. That's it. Historical high from flawless retail buy point you witnessed yesterday morning. So if you're understanding that powerful pullback is the only good news that will play out right now, software for Ninja Trader 8 becomes a phenomenal tool. No matter what chart you trade, no matter what time frame you trade, this is a software now. All played out before market open this morning. Here we are. On the software for Ninja Trader 8, you see clearly. Price came to the bold red zone. Long that played out from 2 hours ago reached RZ. RZ means expect reversal. And again, you knew this hours ago. You also understand quite well with a single glimpse that this is key level to the downside. This is key retail level. Agree? If this level remains obeyed, all the pullbacks are weak. This is also oil news. Intelligent trader understands volatility will pick up this steam after oil news, not now. So again, if this level remains intact, all the pullbacks are very weak. Pure and simple. Long that played out hours ago on multiple charts at critical key pullback zone, RZ. I converted software to 2. I can convert software to any chart I choose. In the course, you learn how to apply the levels. In the course, you understand and prepare well for your trading day. As institutional trader with any chart you choose to trade. Historical high on S&P right now with the software. So here's the software projected on 5-minute chart, price pulling back. No speculation, no gambling, ultimate precision at historical high. Converting this chart to 1, so you see to the tick and understand. To the downside, pullback in a play, but it's weak, it's junky. Extremely weak. Intelligent trader understands historical high, weak retail pullback. This level remains intact. It's very aggressive short. That's it. With a single glimpse, intelligent trader understands institutions remain long, very weak, bearish pullback. With the power of the software, with a single glimpse, you understand its weakness. When you see the power in the markets, you have multiple alerts and you take a second one. This is extremely clear weakness at historical high. Very aggressive short. Multiple alerts constitute power. Single alert constitute weakness. Again, institutions are long. This is short pullback. Weak, aggressive. You know this with a single glimpse. Pain to the downside, expected. Price is stuck. So when you come to the markets each morning and with a single glimpse you see red and green lines so close, you understand this is very important moment for shorts. You understand longs remain in touch. Again, the fact that red and green lines are so close constitutes and confirms very aggressive short. So every single time you choose to trade against institutions, this is a pain you get. And this is a world of difference between power versus weakness. There is nothing else here. S&P could be stuck in this pain until oil news, which S&P typically does 95% of the time. So here we go. Price moving lower. Again, this is software for NinjaTrader 8. Simple and pure. There is nothing else. Historical high, retail weakness, retail pullback. So very conflicting morning for retail trader who understands, as we discussed with my students for days. Every single time you jump on short against institutions, expect pain. There is nothing else right now, only pain is present. Software helps you see that. With a single glimpse you know and understand when pain is present versus power. This is clear pain. Price is stuck, not selling off despite historical high. Finally, S&P moving down. Short alerts picking up this theme. Second alert has a lot more power. Key moment, green level. Now, there was nothing else this morning, only this. Alpha Fibonacci software picked up against institutions, retail short. That's it. This is the only option this morning. An intelligent trader knew it well before it happened. You are at the red zone. You are at historical high. But pullback is weak. It's retail only. Institutional traders still holding longs. And that's Alpha Fibonacci software for NinjaTrader 8. I converted software to 1 minute chart. We can convert software. I can convert software to any chart I choose. Alpha Fibonacci system based on buying low, selling high. Avoiding the middle. When you master the danger of middle, everything changes. So this is key target. Intelligent trader understands and knows this clearly. Bold green zone. Are you clear on this? That's it. Your trading day is done. Again, extremely aggressive trade against institutions. Again, very predictable, very precise proprietary power. 20 years of building my own systems. I promise you, ultimate precision is key to your success in day trading. Extremely aggressive trade against institutions with stunning reminder. With the power of the Alpha Fibonacci, you do not speculate, you do not gamble. You know with ultimate precision where to enter, where to exit your trade. So institutions just reminded everyone, if you decide to short, remember where to exit. No speculative entries, no speculative targets. You knew well before you took short where to exit your trade with a single glimpse, well before market open. Alpha Fibonacci software for NinjaTrader 8 identifies this clearly. But if I bring to your attention the power of the system on all the other instruments, Alpha Fibonacci based on buying low and selling high. Use identical rules to trade Amazon. Remember where to exit your long? Trade Nvidia. Could you buy the bottom? Do you understand what causes problem on Nvidia? Oil news next. I will record a separate video during oil news. It is very, very clear to me since 2004 that every single instrument is exactly the same. So when you come to the website, you can view the video Movie Maker in London, my very dear student, made about Fibonacci Trading Institute. 14-year anniversary coming up next month. Our traders in US and globally trading system with proprietary institutional predictive rules in US and more than 58 countries, from beginner to hedge fund manager, on all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. So make a personal decision and understand you have options to trade on all platforms with precise entry, stop and target, or you have additional option with software for Ninja 8. As you witnessed this morning, includes multi-market scanner, group of private mentoring classes, live trading room, video library modules. I was invited to my student's wedding in India, but I cannot attend due to personal matter. For that reason, I am doing US election trading bootcamp, once in a lifetime event during election week. We go right into financial markets morning after election. Markets would be extreme. Each moment in the bootcamp you will be learning so much. Bootcamp value 2777 included with 4 packages below. It is all explained on the page. Group course 3 months with a lifetime system and lifetime software. Private mentoring 4 months includes bootcamp. So one moment please, I just realized the date below was not changed. This is a correct date, November 6th through 15th. So when you click on the details about the bootcamp, understand this is an event that will never, ever repeat. For new students, this is a phenomenal opportunity to learn. Graduates signing up for bootcamp to master trading skills. So during November 6th through 15th on weekdays, each and every moment, you will be perfecting your trading with ultimate precision. Absolutely appropriate for day position traders, stocks, index, commodities, future, forex, crypto traders. That's it. And that's the current event. So if you're serious about trading, view our students' performance, listen to our students' podcasts, and view our students' reviews. Please visit my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and like my YouTube channel. It's being updated as we speak. I launched the brand new playlist where you listen to Traders Podcast. Richard's podcast coming in the newsletter and email to you. Podcast list posted on our website where you can listen to traders in US and globally and how they trade Alpha Fibonacci system, how fathers bring in their children, husbands bring in their wives, friends bring in their friends to the course. Trading stocks, trading futures, trading options, trading forex, trading metals, trading commodities, trading all. Any questions? Simply pick up the phone and call. US +1 925 257 4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you traders so much. Let's prepare for oil news.